Today on Tanaka Homestead, I am going to show you how easy it is to deep clean your igloo. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get all the pine shavings and nesting box material, and I'm going to put it in my compost. I'm going to get everything from the poop tray now, and I'm going to put it into the compost. So here's my igloo. I'm going to use Dawn dish soap, and I'm gonna get all the dirt and whatnot off of the outside, which is very easy to do. I'm gonna use a sponge. Then I'm going to clean my poop tray. Of course, get in here, clean all the nooks and crannies, and we should be good to go. I finished cleaning the igloo. I went ahead and dried it out. Look at it. It looks like it's brand new. That's what's so neat about this particular coop. I'm now going to make sure everything's nice and dry, and I'm going to start putting everything back into the coop. There you have it. I cleaned the igloo. Took me about 40 minutes. Really wasn't too bad, but as you can see, the design of this coop makes it very convenient to clean because you can pull all the pieces out. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you haven't already, please click that subscribe button, and happy chicken raising. Bye-bye.